GoodLock's best modules now support One UI 8. See the coolest new features. Unlocking the full potential of your smartphone can sometimes feel overwhelming, but here's an exciting development that's sure to catch your attention. The popular GoodLock modules are being upgraded to support One UI 8, bringing a host of fresh features that could redefine your mobile experience. #TLDR. Several GoodLock modules, including HomeUp, MultiStar, NavStar, and QuickStar, have received updates compatible with One UI 8. The HomeUp module's latest version introduces a variety of new tools and enhancements for customizing your home screen. More devices in Samsung's smartphone lineup are expected to receive the stable One UI 8 update soon. With the recent launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, these models are the pioneers to showcase the stable version of One UI 8. Now that these flagship phones have been released, it's highly anticipated that Samsung will soon roll out this updated interface to other models in their extensive lineup. To prepare for this much-anticipated update, Samsung has proactively refreshed both their HomeUp and MultiStar GoodLock modules, ensuring that enthusiasts and power users can make the most out of the upcoming features and improvements. #updates to GoodLock modules. We noticed that the MultiStar, HomeUp, NavStar, and QuickStar modules have all been fine-tuned to function seamlessly with One UI 8. MultiStar's One UI 8 enhancement. The MultiStar module has been refined with the introduction of version 10.0.32, now fully supporting One UI 8. An exciting addition is the exclusive launcher widget, which is particularly beneficial for users of the Flip 7, allowing them to conveniently add app widgets to their device's cover display. Furthermore, this update introduces two new settings designed for devices that support multi-window functionality. App screen size conversion. This setting makes it easier to switch between different display modes, full screen, landscape, and portrait, simply by tapping an icon. Portrait mode screen ratio adjustment. Here, users can toggle between 16:9 and 21:9 aspect ratios, ideal for those who enjoy media in different formats. HomeUp's One UI 8 improvement. Known for its extensive capabilities, HomeUp is about to embrace even more features in this substantial update tailored for One UI 8 devices. As initially spotted by Sammy fans, the modified module introduces a wealth of new options, particularly aimed at the DIY home screen experience. Some of these enhancements include alignment guides to assist users in organizing their home screens more effectively, item grouping, a feature that helps in managing apps and widgets neatly, edit lock, to prevent accidental deletions or movements of apps, floating toolbar, a handy addition that allows for quick customization. Moreover, the update empowers users to personalize app launch animations with impressive granularity. From adjusting the speed and transparency of animations to defining the transitions between backgrounds and wallpapers, users can create a truly bespoke interface experience. Other noteworthy modifications in HomeUp include page indicator hiding, providing a cleaner aesthetic on the home screen, horizontal scrolling with alphabetical order mode, streamlining app navigation, HomeUp quick access pop-up, enhancing usability by enabling quick access to favorites or frequently used features. Altogether, these updates represent significant improvements to some of the most utilized GoodLock modules, enhancing user enjoyment and customization as more Samsung devices receive their stable One UI 8 rollout. The updates for NavStar and QuickStar also adapt them for One UI 8, but they don't appear to include any particularly noteworthy changes beyond compatibility. #join the conversation. What are your thoughts on these updates? Do you think these new features will make a meaningful difference in how you use your Samsung device? Or do you have concerns about changing interfaces and functionalities? We'd love to hear your perspective. Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. Samsung One UI 8 update, GoodLock revamp, and new home screen customization features. Samsung gears up for One UI 8 launch with exciting GoodLock enhancements. As the eagerly awaited One UI 8 update approaches, Samsung has rolled out a series of significant updates to its GoodLock application, particularly enhancing the HomeUp module. This is an exciting development for users who are keen to customize their devices further. Recently, Samsung officially launched One UI 8 on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, which are currently being shipped to customers. However, many users are still anticipating the broader rollout of this update to the Galaxy S25 series and various other devices. While a specific timeline for this wider release remains unclear, the signs indicate that it may be just around the corner. In preparation for One UI 8, Samsung has introduced new updates to Good Lock, which include enhancements to several modules: QuickStar, MultiStar, NavStar, and Home Up. Each of these modules has been updated to support the new features of One UI 8, bringing along a variety of important changes. QuickStar. This module allows for customization of quick settings, but there are no new changes in One UI 8. MultiStar. Users can now enjoy improved multi-window options, including the addition of a launcher widget specifically for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, among other enhancements. NavStar. This module offers a customizable navigation bar, but it remains unchanged in One UI 8. Home Up. This is where the most significant improvements lie, with enhanced options for home screen customization and major updates in One UI 8. According to reports from SamMobile, detailed changelogs for each of these updates have been documented, highlighting the enhancements made. The standout update is undoubtedly to the Home Up module, which aims to provide users with greater control over their default One UI home screen. SamiGuru has detailed the changes introduced in One UI 8, revealing that many core options from Home Up have now been integrated directly into the home screen interface. This means users no longer need to navigate to the app to make adjustments. Additionally, users can now fine-tune animations and fully customize the blur effects on their home screen. The new DIY Home feature also offers even more granular control over customization. While the updates to Home Up represent a significant leap forward in home screen customization, users should note that accessing these features may require a few extra steps. Furthermore, these enhancements are exclusive to One UI 8, meaning that those still using One UI 7 will not have access to these new capabilities. As for the timeline regarding the broader release of Samsung's One UI 8 update, a specific date has yet to be announced. However, the recent updates and the availability of the Fold 7 and Flip 7 suggest that users won't have to wait much longer. What's next for Samsung? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 pre-orders are now shipping, and the last chance for discounts is quickly approaching. Is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic a substantial upgrade over the previous Watch 6 Classic? Samsung has reported rapid growth in the usage of Galaxy AI and Gemini, committing to significant expansion in this area. Stay connected with Ben on social media platforms like Twitter, Threads, Blue Sky, and Instagram for the latest updates. Join the conversation. What do you think about these updates? Are you excited for the new features in One UI 8? Or do you feel that Samsung is missing the mark? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Samsung Good Lock modules supercharged for One UI 8. Home Up, MultiStar, and more. Unbelievable. Samsung just supercharged its Good Lock modules for One UI 8, granting you deeper control over animations and multitasking features than ever before. But here's where it gets controversial. By unlocking app launch animations, Samsung is inviting hardcore customizers and casual users alike to push the boundaries of what a smartphone interface can do. And this is the part most people miss. You don't need the newest Galaxy Foldable to enjoy these upgrades. Read on to discover all the details. Samsung has officially begun rolling out a wave of updates to its Good Lock toolkit, ensuring every module plays nicely with the freshly released One UI 8. If you've been following the evolution of Samsung's interface, you know One UI 7 introduced several refinements to Good Lock earlier this year. Home Up, in particular, received a spotlight feature set that let you tweak animation flow, wallpaper transitions, and other home screen behaviors. One UI 8 doubles down on those improvements by letting you actually customize the way apps pop open on your device. Home Up's continued glow up. Home Up started as a DIY home screen lab, an experimental playground for power users who wanted fine-grained control over their phone's look and feel. With this latest update, version 17.0.00.28, spotted in an APK leak from July 21, 2025. You gain access to alignment guides for perfectly placing icons, grouping functions to keep related apps together, and a whole suite of sleek app launch animations to choose from. Imagine your favorite game icon expanding from the bottom corner or your email app fading in gracefully from the center. Those are just a couple of the new options you can try. You'll also find a new page indicator hiding toggle that cleans up your home screen by hiding the tiny dots that show which page you're on. Sorting apps alphabetically now comes with smooth horizontal scrolling, and there are a handful of under-the-hood tweaks aimed at making your home screen feel cleaner and more responsive. MultiStar, NavStar, and QuickStar join the party. According to Android Authority, the MultiStar, NavStar, and QuickStar modules have all been updated to full compatibility with One UI 8. MultiStar's biggest headline is the Flip 7 only launcher widget feature, which lets you place widgets directly onto your cover screen, perfect for quick glances at weather, calendar events, or music controls without unfolding your phone. NavStar and QuickStar haven't been left behind either. NavStar now offers even more ways to customize navigation bars and gestures, while QuickStar gives you advanced control over your quick settings panel, from rearranging tiles to adjusting transparency and color accents. 2 fresh multi-window settings. But wait, there's more. Samsung has quietly added 2 new multi-window options to all supported devices. The first introduces a floating icon you can tap to instantly flip the screen orientation, ideal for apps that behave better in landscape. The second lets you toggle between 16:9 and 21:9 aspect ratios while in portrait mode, so you can choose the viewing experience that suits your content best. Looking ahead, One UI 8 for older Galaxy phones. With all these good lock modules now fully up to speed, Samsung seems poised to push One UI 8 out to older Galaxy devices. That means longtime fans won't be left behind. Anyone with a supported phone can dive into these new tricks and customize their device's interface like never before. Thoughts and controversy. Here's a question to spark debate. Is Samsung overloading users with too many customization options? Or is this exactly the level of control advanced Android enthusiasts have been begging for? Do you worry that less tech-savvy people might get confused? Or do you believe these tools will inspire a whole new wave of creativity? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation. By Jay Bongolto, a seasoned consumer tech writer who has covered Android since the Jelly Bean days. Feel free to connect with him on Twitter or LinkedIn.